How to add variants in Shopify for beginners. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add different types of product variants in Shopify, whether it is variants based upon the color of the product, the size of the product, the materials of the product, the gift packaging, all of that can be included in Shopify. So let's get started. Now, the way to get started is simply by logging onto your Shopify account. Then click on Product on the left, and then once you do that, you're going to click on Add Product. Now, over here, you're going to type in the product information. So let's say I have a leather belt. Now, this is going to have multiple different variants, and I'm going to explain everything step by step. So we're going to have a leather belt. And then after that, you're going to type in the description like you normally would. After that, you're going to upload all the product photos. So I'm just going to do that. So I've just collected my images and I'm just going to click on upload media and I'm just going to upload the images of my product. Now, I have multiple different variants of this product, not only in color, but also in finishes and sizes. So I'm going to write the description. You can use the AI that is going to help you a lot in writing descriptions if you haven't done any copywriting before. So this is just going to be either faux leather or cowskin leather belt with a satin finish. And then I'm just going to click on generate and I'm going to wait for the product description. Now, after that, I have the price of the product. So I'm just going to add that and then we're going to move towards inventory. Now, you want to track inventory of the product and you're going to add the total number that is going to be available for one of your variants. So one variant, for example, I have 100 pieces of each variant because I am going to have 3 multiplied by 3, so 9 variants are going to be present for this product, which means 3 in terms of color, 3 sizes in each color, as well as 2 different finishes. Now, after that, this is a physical product, and then we have the category meta fields. Now, above that, you have your variant options. First off, I'm going to select color as the 2 variants, and then I'm going to select the color section. Now, by default, it has detected brown and green, but I also have a third color that I'm selling this in. So I'm going to click on over here and add a third variant, which is going to be tan. And this is going to be a new color label that I'm going to add like this. And then the base color for this is going to be brown. And then I'm going to click on save like this. Once I've done that, I'm going to click on done and we have our 3 options. Now, with every single color that you add, you can click on the color, okay? And this is related directly to the meta field. I can click on disconnect to disconnect this because it just makes it really easy for you to add your own options visually. But if you want, you can connect it to the color meta field and then you will have these little representative images and you can click on edit and then you can actually select the image. So for brown, I'm going to select the brown belt. Then for green, I'm going to click on edit, click on select. I'm going to select the green one. Then for 10, I'm going to select edit, select image, and then select the image of the 10 variant. Now that I've added one variant, I have to add the other variant option. So click on add option and we're going to add material as our second option. So I'm going to click on option name as material and then the option is going to be faux leather and then this is going to be real cowskin. And let's say we have 3 options, real cowskin as well as real lambskin. And then I would click on done over here. Then I have my third option, which is going to be size, and I'm going to create a separate section called size. Now, the different options that you're creating or the different variants that you're creating can be connected to a meta field. That is totally on your personal preference. If you have a certain type of variant that is going to come across over and over in multiple products, then I recommend connecting to a meta field because it makes it easier for you to set it up in new product. But otherwise, I just like to add it regularly. Now in the size, I want to add 32 inches, and then the second one is going to be 38 inches. And then my fourth belt size is, let's say, 42 inches. So once I've done that, we're going to click on done over here. And now that we've done that, you will see that for each individual color, we again have 9 different variants. Now, we're going to price these differently because let's say the regular pricing we have that is going to be displayed, which is our lowest possible price, is $20. But that is the price for only the faux skin or the faux item. So for the real skin one, I'm going to open up the individual variant, okay? Within that, you will also see the available units. So I'm going to add 100 of each one of these. So I'm going to select 100 in each one of these, and that's going to be around like 9,000 for each individual color. So in total, we would have like 27,000 units of this. And I'm just going to add that. Now, you can do this with bulk editing. So I'm just going to click on save for now so I can show you guys how you can bulk edit this as well instead of having to do everything manually. You can click on this and you're going to go back into your product section. Once you do that, you're going to click on more actions and you're just going to click on cancel. Yeah, select this. And then once you select your particular item, click on bulk edit. Once you click on bulk edit, you will actually see the vendor and the base price. Now, from here, I will select the available quantity, and then I'm just going to select that as 100. You can just enter 100 on hand quantity, and you're going to select it and then move it towards the end, and all of it will become 100. Now, after that, to edit the pricing, I'm going to select where it says real cow skin, and then the base price for real cow skin is going to be, let's say, $80. Once I do that, I'm going to drag it thrice. So all the real cow skin is labeled as $80, and let's say for lamb skin, it's $100, and then drag this thrice like this. So again, following the same pattern, I'm going to add $80, drag it to 3 items, and then $100, and then drag it to the bottom 3 items. Then I'm going to follow again. So 3 items are going to be skipped, $80, drag it down like this for bulk editing, and then $100 like this. Once you've done that, you can click on save over here, and just like that, all our product variants have been added. So if I click on preview on online store, you will see all of the different variants, including variants in the color like this, as well as the size. So if I click on the green one and then select real cow skin, the price changes to $80. And then if I change to lamb skin, it changes to $100. And I can select the size accordingly. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.